Okay, now I just start my World of Warcraft. You can see the booty thing is gone for a second. Now you're coming with another more annoying sound. Let's see, every time one comes to the game, then that will definitely comes out. The only good part here is that if when the fan speed very up, then it can cover that electronic booty thing, but still need to wait a little bit more. So that's just 1 minute. But that sound is still there. And I'm also gonna show the performance switch. So now it's on balance, right? Let's say if I go to the performance mode, and the sound is still the same. Again, let's say I switch to quiet mode. The noise level still remains the same. Again, the bzzz is still here. And when you listen closely to the right fan, it only comes the fan noise, very pure one. But the ones comes to left, a little bit, but compared to this one, the more low frequency. Anyway, now I close that. It's now gone. So you can see the fan still is quite loud.